Water bag, food, treats for Kit, check. Yeah, yours. Big water for washing hands and for us to drink, check. All the stuff is in the car. Yeah, we're going fishing. Today is one of them days that I am really curious what I might see when I get up to the fishing hole, because today is the free fishing day here in the state of Indiana. Yeah. We're headed to Versailles. Some family members are going to be up there. Will they be there when we get there? I do not know. The weather seems to be yeah, coffee. Weather seems to be perfect. Yesterday we went fishing. It was really windy and a little bit on the cooler side when the wind blew. But today, let's see how many people is up there at Versailles State Park. Every time it's a free fishing day, it is almost next to impossible trying to find a spot to fish. First of all, I wanted to take Kit to the dog park and run him out, because the last 2 times we went fishing, he didn't get to really run himself out. But I'm at the dog park that is closest to my house. Now, even though there's nobody in there, no. Kit wants to go in there, but we're going to go to our favorite one instead. I hate to say it, but the dog park closest to my house is always nasty. Even though the one we're taking him to, we have found some landmines, but not as nasty as this one. Ain't that right, Bubby? He knows where he's at. You ain't gonna believe this. Well, we're up to the other dog park, the one we like the best, and there are lots of people here. So we're headed right back to the original one. And not to mention we had to come up the long way, because on our main road it must have been an accident and traffic's backed up for miles. Guys, I just see when we get to the fishing hole. Okay, we're in the park. And Kid, no. Get back. We're gonna find out here in a few seconds, well, maybe a minute or two, how busy they are. So we'll see you right when we get across the bridge. Alright guys, moment of truth. Will we have a place to fish? Oh boy, that was a lot. Oh my god, there's a lot here. Yep, but there is spots open. Not good spots, but there's spots open. Okay, Kit. Oh, well, we found your family. Oh fudge, ain't nowhere to park there either. Okay, there's not any spots really, unless you're on top of somebody. So we're gonna look at the dam. If it's too crowded, probably is. Only thing bad about the dam is, I don't think it's gonna be puppy proof. And I don't like taking my puppy to the dam. Yesterday, the dam was pretty high up. So we're gonna check it out and go back up one more time. Do our best. We may not be fishing today, which sucks. Yeah, at least not here. We made it. We made it to the fishing hole. And like I said, some of my wife's family's here. I'm going to introduce one. One I'm very fond of. I've known you since, what, 8 years old?
Yeah.
BJ!
Hey, how's it going?
This guy right here knows more about, well, probably have forgot more about fishing than I will ever know. Him, and I would imagine Sam too. He's, you know Sam, I fish with him a lot. You guys know more about fishing, forgot about fishing than I would ever know. I used to fish years ago, then I gave it up when I became a young adult until, what, 4 years ago? All right, guys, I'm going to talk to BJ. I'm getting bites. I'm using worms today. And Kit back there, if you see him, is being a real pain in the butt. Well, good old Mr. Kit here has been very, very bad. Well, I can't say super bad, but he's definitely feeling his oats, if that makes any sense. And he keeps rolling around all over the grass. He did that yesterday when we was here. Ain't that right, Bubby? Such an amateur video. I had the camera going sideways. Yeah. No, BJ came up to talk, and been talking to him pretty much the whole time I've been here. I am getting bites like crazy, though. But I haven't caught nothing yet. That doesn't mean anything. Having fun, being out in nature, and Kit loves it. Guys, you know how worried I was? And if you guys are new to my videos, I was super worried back, what's this make, 8 times fishing now? First time we took Kit fishing, I was super worried that he was not going to like it. He loves it. Why wouldn't he though, right? Because we get him all kinds of snacks. All right, I report back if I get something. I do. If I don't, I don't. Yeah. I'm just enjoying, man. Enjoying.
That bird almost ran into your pole.
Did it really?
So.
Okay, we'll see you guys a little bit. I've been getting tons of bites. Hooked a couple of them, but they let go before I got them to shore. It's happening. It's actually going pretty good if I keep the camera steady. A total rookie video. What do you think, Ange? Rookie? Amateur?
Sure.
I feel sorry for her because she don't have her sunglasses on. I asked her if she wants to use mine. She said no. Oh, winding down. It is about 6:28 in the evening. Don't know how much longer we're going to give it, but yeah, tomorrow's work week. And we're going to fish tomorrow, possibly. Possibly because after 5 o'clock, I believe, getting a bite. After 5 o'clock, we have the rest of the evening. Yeah. All right, guys. I'd probably tune in unless something happens. If I catch them, I'll tune in to close it out. Unless I catch one. Wish me luck. I had a lot of good bites. I had a couple fish on, but they got off. So we're getting ready to wrap it up. We've been here for quite a few hours. When we first got here, don't know how much of it on the video you can tell, but this whole place was completely packed with wall-to-wall people. So what we did was, we drove on down to the dam, took our time, came back, and noticed this spot right here is available. You got trees right yonder there, and you got a tree right there. And we're right here. We fished here before, never had a whole bunch of luck. Angie's gonna watch my line because I am getting bites. Been getting bites many hours we've been here. Just ain't caught none. But this turned out to be a pretty good place. And even Mr. Kit likes it, don't you? Don't you? Yeah, he's just looking for things to eat like this. Leave it. For God's sakes, Kit. But I tell you, it's working out perfectly. Now, there's a snake in the water somewhere. I know down yonder here, they told us there's a snake coming up our way, so that happens. Usually the evening times is when the snakes come out and get their food. And they look for their yum-yums, you know. Big water snakes. Got one on video, but that was on cell phone back a couple weeks ago. So guys, this will conclude today's fishing trip. I will be taking one tomorrow, but I will not record that, no. My son Damien and I are planning to go out for another photo shoot. I don't know where I'm taking them yet, but I probably will record that. So guys, until next time, thanks for watching. If you live in the state of Indiana, did you go out and fish on the free fishing day? We do have 2 more days coming, I think in June, for the free fishing day, yeah. And obviously everything's gonna be crowded. So if we do come up fishing tomorrow, I guarantee it won't probably be a soul here. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thank you for watching.